Hey everyone, welcome back to App Mentor. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the supply moisture module in the First Descendant. Now, supply moisture is a game changer for Valve as it can increase different things like firearm critical hit rate and skill duration and some other things. To obtain it, you will need to farm specific missions in the Frozen Valley and Corrupted Zone, where it has a 2% drop chance. The Void Fusion Reactor mission in the Frozen Valley, which is located in Fortress, is a great option to start with, as well as Void mission like Abyssal Void Fusion Reactor in the Corrupted Zone, which is located in Hagios, is also a great option, which gives you a acquisition chance of 2.5%. While the drop rate is low and the acquisition can be challenging, the rewards are well worth the effort. And that's it for today's video. I hope this video is helpful to you, and if it is, please hit that like button, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.